I'm Mr. O, here with another moment at the Children's Museum of Houston.
The other day I saw a magician take a dollar bill, set it on fire, and then make it magically reappear unharmed. Now, I know this involves sleight of hand and specially treated quick burning paper decorated to look like a dollar bill, but it got me wondering, could I use science know-how to set a dollar bill on fire without actually burning it?
Let's burn some money.
Normally I encourage you to do science at home, but fire is dangerous. So please do not attempt what you're about to see at home. I'm going to use this clear liquid as the fuel for my fire. But there's a problem. The flame's too hot and will burn my dollar bill. We need to add something that will still let the fuel burn, but not hot enough to light up our dollar bill. What we need is something with high heat capacity. Heat capacity is a property of materials that determines how much heat energy they can absorb before their temperature rises. For example, metals have low heat capacity. That means that their temperature increases very quickly when they have heat applied to them, which makes them perfect for cookware. But we need something with a high heat capacity, whose temperature doesn't increase very quickly. Maybe something we already use every day. When you're outside on a hot day or doing a lot of physical activity, your body starts to heat up. In response, your body starts to sweat.
Ew.
The water in your sweat has a very high heat capacity, which absorbs the excess heat being created and cools you down as it evaporates off your skin. So water seems to be a very good solution to our problem. It has a very high heat capacity and it mixes well with both our fuel and the salt. The question is, how much water do I add to my fuel so it can burn without burning up the dollar bill? I think it sounds like it's time for an experiment. I'm going to mix up different combinations of fuel and water to create different concentrations of fuel. Each watch glass will have a slightly lower concentration of fuel. Then I'll try to light each one. The last one that can burn should be the right combination of fuel to create fire, but enough water to keep the heat from being able to catch the dollar bill on fire. So it looks like the 50% fuel solution will do the trick, but there's a problem. We can't really see the flame. However, the color flame is an easy one to solve. Way back in our Rocket's Red Glare episode, we talked about how certain materials burn different colors. So adding a little table salt to our fuel will create an easily visible orange flame. Now, let's put it all to the test. Drum roll, please. And so that's how we can burn money, even if we don't have money to burn.
This has been another Oh Wow moment from the Children's Museum of Houston. We hope your mind can come out to play.